Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up integration to transfer new customers from KeyCRM to Zoho CRM. This is necessary to automatically transfer new customers from KeyCRM to other systems. For example, in Zoho CRM you can create new deals and conveniently interact with them in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the KeyCRM data source system. Now you need to choose an action. In this case, select Get Customers, New. At this stage, you need to connect your KeyCRM account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window, you must specify the API key. To get it, go to your personal account KeyCRM. Next, go to Settings. General. If you haven't created an API key yet, click Create API Key. Copy it and paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required field is filled, click Continue. When the connected account is displayed in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. No additional settings are provided for the KeyCRM system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. Now you see the data for one of your KeyCRM customers. If everything suits you, click Continue. This completes the KeyCRM data source setup. Now you need to go to the data destination settings. Select the system Zoho CRM. Next, you need to select an action. Create Deal. At this stage, you need to connect your Zoho CRM account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, we indicate the login and password of your Zoho CRM personal account. Next, we grant ApiX-Drive permission to work with your Zoho CRM account. When the connected login appears in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. At this point, you see Zoho CRM fields for creating new deals. You can assign variables from KeyCRM to these fields. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Please note that you can use not only variables from the drop-down list, but also enter values manually. When all required fields are filled in, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to Zoho CRM in the form of new deals for each new customer from KeyCRM. If you are not satisfied with something, click Edit and you will go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Zoho CRM. After successful sending, go to Zoho CRM and check the result. If you are satisfied with everything, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue setting up. This completes the setup of Zoho CRM as a data destination. Now you need to enable auto-update and select an update interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.